Coming in at number 5, we got the Asics Gel Quantum Kinetic. My lords, those were the most comfortable sneakers I've ever worn in my life. Coming in at number 4, we got the New Balance Action Bronson Baklava. We got the 99E V6 in the Lapis Lazuli colorway. And that was so comfy as well. Another great hit from Action Bronson and New Balance. Coming in at number 3, we've got the Air Jordan 3 Reimagined 88 White Cement. It's an Air Jordan 3 White Cement with a Nike Air in the back. Cannot go wrong. OG. Classic. Coming in at number 2, it's going to be a surprise for a lot of people because loads of people have put this as their number 1. It's the Nike SB Air Jordan 4. It's great colorway, great design. Cannot go wrong with some Air Jordan 4s as well. And the fact that it's got some SB technology on it, it's a surefire hit. Coming in at number 1, again, this is another surprise for loads of people. It's the three-way collaboration between Kith, Clarks, and Adidas. You got the Kith, Clarks, Originals, Adidas Samba. You know, that Samba with the crepe sole. There's no denying Adidas Sambas have gone global, probably the highest thing in the market. But the fact that they were able to get Clarks to get their hit on it, it's great. Ronnie's done a great job with it, Clarks as well, and obviously Adi. So that rounds off my top 5. What's yours? Let us know in the comment section below. Till next time, guys. Peace.